13. Car maintenance secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Think your mechanic always has your back? Here's the truth. There are some car maintenance secrets they really don't want you to know. Why? Because these tips can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in repairs, and keep your car running like new for years. In this video, I'll reveal 13 surprising secrets that can completely change how you take care of your car. Each one builds on the last, but there's one in particular that completely changed how I see car maintenance. So stick with me, because once you hear it, you'll never look at car care the same way again. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1, reset the maintenance required light yourself. That maintenance required light isn't as scary as it looks. It's simply a reminder, usually set around every 5,000 to 15,000 miles, meant to bring you back to the dealership for service. But here's the trick. Most of the time, it's just an oil change reminder. Instead of rushing to the dealer, look up how to reset it for your specific car model. You'll save time and money instantly. And the same goes for that check engine light. Don't panic. Grab an OBD2 scanner. They cost around $30–40. Plug it in and check the code yourself. These scanners work on any car made after 1996 and can help you diagnose issues before paying a shop to do the same thing. Knowledge is power, and this one gives you the upper hand. Secret number 2. Bleed the brake system during pad replacement. Here's one that even some pros skip. When replacing brake pads, always open the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper. If you don't, you're forcing old dirty fluid back up into your ABS module, and that can cause expensive damage. By cracking the valve first, you not only protect your system, but also push out some of that old fluid. Just remember, don't let your master cylinder run dry. A few extra seconds here can save you hundreds down the line. Secret number 3. Don't waste money on engine additives. Fuel and oil additives sound like miracle cures, but most are just marketing. Modern gasoline already includes the detergents and chemicals your engine needs, and modern oils are packed with advanced additives right from the factory. Save your money and just stick to regular oil changes. Now, there are exceptions. Diesel engines actually benefit from quality additives that prevent gelling and clean injectors. Older cars or those running on low-quality fuel can use products like Techron or Seafoam to clean up the system. So don't fall for the hype. Just understand what your specific engine really needs. Secret number 4. Heater blowing cold? Check your coolant. If your car's heater suddenly starts blowing cold air, it might not be broken. It's probably just low on coolant. Without enough coolant, the heater core can't circulate hot fluid, so all you get is cold air. Pop the hood, check your coolant level, and top it off if needed. This simple fix has saved countless drivers from freezing mornings and unnecessary repair bills. Secret number 5. Car batteries lose life sitting on the shelf. Even unused batteries slowly age once filled with acid. Before you buy, check the manufacturing date. The fresher, the better. Pick one that's less than a month old for best performance. Avoid batteries that have been sitting on shelves at big box stores. Instead, buy from a supplier who moves inventory quickly. And here, a pro tip. Charge your new battery for an hour or two before installing it. It ensures it's fully activated and ready to go. Lastly, keep those terminals clean to maintain a strong connection. Secret number 6. Get more from your spark plugs. Spark plugs may be small, but they're vital. They ignite the air-fuel mix that powers your car. Modern iridium plugs can last 100,000 miles, but don't wait that long to check them. Pull one out occasionally and inspect it. If you see worn electrodes or heavy carbon buildup, it's time to replace them. Fresh plugs mean smoother starts, better fuel economy, and less engine wear. Always use the exact type recommended in your owner's manual. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps AutoCare Secret running and helps me bring you more honest car advice. Secret number 7. Stop overfilling the gas tank. After the nozzle clicks off, stop filling. Trying to squeeze in extra fuel can damage your vapor recovery system and cause harmful vapor leaks. Overfilling wastes gas, harms the environment, and can even trigger your check engine light. Remember, when it clicks off, you're full. Simple as that. Secret number 8, replace air filters regularly. Your engine breathes through its air filter. A clogged one suffocates performance and kills fuel economy. Check it every 12,000, 15,000 miles, or more often if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. If it looks dirty, replace it. It's cheap, easy, and instantly improves your engine's health. Secret number 9, check your PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, regulates engine pressure and prevents oil sludge. If it clogs, you'll notice rough idling, higher oil use, or even leaks. To test it, remove the valve and shake it. It should rattle. Then blow through it. Air should flow one way only. If it flows both ways or doesn't rattle, replace it. They're inexpensive, usually under $40, and make a big difference in engine longevity. Secret number 10, change oil and transmission fluid on time. If you drive a lot, especially in traffic, your car needs extra care. Use synthetic oil and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving conditions. For transmission fluid, most automakers recommend between 30,000 and 60,000 miles, but sooner is better if you tow, haul, or drive in stop-and-go traffic. These simple habits keep your engine and transmission healthy for the long haul. And while you're at it, check out my video on 17 costly oil change mistakes that can ruin your engine. Secret number 11, keep tires at the right pressure. Proper tire pressure is critical for safety, fuel economy, and even ride comfort. Most cars run best between 28 and 36 psi, but always check your owner AS manual or the sticker on your door. Tires naturally lose about 1 psi per month, so check them regularly, including the spare. Underinflated tires wear faster and waste gas, while overinflated ones lose grip and wear unevenly. Use a good tire gauge or digital inflator to stay on top of it, and rotate your tires every 5,000, 8,000 miles to maximize life. Secret number 12, don't forget your brake fluid. Brake fluid attracts moisture over time, which can corrode your system and make your brakes feel soft. Check the level regularly and replace it every 2 to 3 years. It is one of the most overlooked fluids in your car, but keeping it fresh can prevent expensive brake repairs later. Secret number 13, inspect belts and hoses. Often, your serpentine belt runs vital components like the alternator and power steering pump. Hoses carry coolant and other fluids throughout the engine. Every month or so, do a quick visual check. Look for cracks, bulges, or leaks, and feel for soft spots when the engine is cool. Replacing a worn belt or hose early can prevent catastrophic engine failure later. A few minutes of inspection can save you thousands. And there you have it, 13 powerful car maintenance secrets that can save you serious money and extend your car AS life. Each one is simple, but together they'll keep your ride reliable for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Care Secret for more honest, real-world car advice. Trust me, you'll want to see that one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep those engines running smooth.